So now you have understand some basic commands about the Flutter. So next I'm going to explain what is the file structure of the Flutter. So if you go to the working directory, so here you can see the different files. Okay, the same file you are seeing inside the code editor. So let me explain what are the folders inside and what you have to do with this folder. So let me explain what is this folders and file. So first we have an Android folder. So this Android folder is used for keeping the Android related stuffs. And for iOS folder, we have a iOS related stuff. For a web, so we have a web folder. Okay, so I already told you, like when you are writing a single code base, if you are making a build, so your application is going to run on the Android device, iOS device, and web devices, right? So that's what this folder. So these are the native folder for the particular platform. Okay, if you are a beginner, you don't need to think much about this. Okay, so next we have a library folder. So inside the library folder, we have a main.dot. So if you open the main.dot, so here we are seeing some code, right? So this code is producing this output. So for this output, this is the code. So right now we don't need to think about this. I will remove everything and I will teach you what is inside that code, inside that file. So then we have a test. In case if you are making, if you want to write the test condition, you can write inside the test. So next we have the spec file. So this file is used for doing the configuration. For example, if you want to add a package, you have to add it. If you want to give the permission to the particular folder, so we have to do this. So when we are writing the code, you will clearly understand. So right now you have to understand what file is used for what purpose. So remaining until you don't need to worry about this dot files and git ignore. So remaining until you don't need to worry about this. Okay, so in most cases we will work inside the library folder and spec file. Okay,